Hello everybody. Stanley, can you tell everybody what we're doing today? Nice. And what foods will you be eating today? Nice. Let's get into it. Okay, Stanley. So the first thing is you will be eating a tomato. A delicious tomato. See how you like that. Nope. Okay. Got it. And now you'll have a cucumber. Do you like a cucumber? Oh, he's eating it. It's decent, right, Stanley? Hit or miss, right? And now one of Stanley's favorite foods, look at, he's starting to look at it. You see, he moved. One of his favorite foods is a yellow pepper. I don't know why, but he loves yellow peppers.